Today we're out here on the Pacific Coast Highway helping restore power for the Palisades fire.
So far we've done a ton of cleanup, going through and getting everything cleaned up after the fire, going to see what roads need to be cleared so all the first responders and all that can get their access. And now we're in the rebuilding phase, so we're starting to figure out what we can put back up and what customers we can get back on.
To do a pole set, we gotta obviously first remove the bad poles that burn down, and then we go down the line and just set poles one by one, and then we'll come through after and we will set all the arms, put in all the rollers so we can string in new covered conductor.
We're basically putting the pole line that burned down during the fire back to where it was and putting in all new wire and bringing everything up to spec. It's also affecting us pretty heavily because this is our district that we work in every single day, so it's pretty impactful to see it completely burn to the ground.